Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. Yeah, GALA, I was asked for a long-term video. We can take a look at the bigger picture on this chart. Again, I mentioned it many times though in previous videos that on this chart, since it formed 5 waves down, this is not really a clearly long-term, or it's not clearly long-term a bullish chart, okay? Yes, it can still go higher and I'm going to track upside as long as it shows at least some potential for it and as long as we are in a bullish market. However, I have to see the current move up that the overall move up that we've seen since, I think it was October last year. I have to see that as a corrective rally. Okay, I have to see that as a corrective rally because we have 5 waves down. That always indicates where the trend is going, and the trend is going down. Okay, so unless the market can show us that it's more bullish than anticipated, then only then I would change my view. But until then, I see the rally only as corrective rally and have to understand the move down as a wave 1 and the move up as a wave 2 correction, which still has a lot of room to go. I mean, again, with these corrective rallies, you don't really have targets. That's the problem. You can really only highlight what is resistance. And the resistance is here at around about 6.2 cents. That's where it starts, really, the Fibonacci resistance. Goes all the way up to around about 33.6 cents. This is sort of the wider range. Doesn't mean it has to go all the way up to the top. That's a challenge with these corrective rallies, which is why I would say any coin, any chart that gives us only a reason to believe it's a corrective rally, it's more risky. Okay, it's more risky to be invested there because it's not clearly bullish. Doesn't mean it has to be bearish. No, of course not. I mean, the resistance area, as long as this stays intact, I have no reason to change the wave count. Basically, a rally all the way up to 33 cents is covered by this scenario. But there's nothing more bullish I can give you until the market shows us that it can break above 33 cents. Okay, and this used to be different. Yeah, it was. I had a different perspective here, but I think it was until we broke below, I don't know, 2.5 cents or something. Because we always have to listen to the market. Here we had 3 waves down, okay? Here we have 5 waves down now, and that changes the context of the chart. Now I know that when people ask for a long-term view, they hope for new all-time high targets, which I cannot give you. Because with a new all-time low and a 3-wave rally, there's nothing really you can do here. And a 5-wave move down, really. There is no projection that can give us new all-time high targets. I mean, if it goes to all-time highs, I mean, it has to go minimally above 84 cents, right? But first of all, it needs to prove to us that it has the potential to do so by breaking above 33, which at the moment I'm naturally skeptical about until I see the structures that would allow it. But that doesn't mean I'm bearish short-term. No, I would still track further upside as long as these support levels are holding. And the support that's currently defined here for GALA, it's still sort of in this region here between 1.55 cents and 2.3 cents. The situation overall has not changed. The idea is that possibly an A wave completed here on the 10th of December. Then we've started to move down in this correction. It would be a B wave pullback. And then a C wave up should still follow. Now, then here, the wave 2 could already be done, but it would be a weak wave 2, or this is just going to be a larger A wave, then we get a B and another C. So we have to take it level by level with these coins which are likely in a corrective rally. Okay, so there is the predictive powers of Elliott wave are limited in corrections. But still we give our best to track still support levels for risk management, resistance levels, and so on. Now in this structure here, we are probably currently still caught in the correction. We have a descending trend line that the price is respecting, and the move down is so far a 3-wave move, ABC. The question is, was this all of wave B or only a larger A wave? We're now doing the B and then go down in wave C. Until I see a real breakout, especially above resistance, which is here at 3.2 cents basically, I assume that we could get a little lower in this support area, possibly to 2.1 cents or 1.85 cents before we see a recovery. That's my update about GALA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.